Up you mighty race. You know, accomplish what you will. Yeah, man. A quote from Marcus Mosiah Garvey. You know? The I Marcus Garvey say, with confidence, you know, you win before you even start. And without confidence, you are twice defeated in the race of life. Yeah, man, welcome to another vlog on the Herbal Laws channel, you know, where I man plant herbs for tea. You know, plant a little vegetable here and there, you know, but mostly herbs for tea. You know, I man know the powers of herbs. You know, I man solely believe in herbs. You know, there's no doubt. But what I would say, you know, you have to use the herbs before things get bad. When things get bad, you can't blame the herbs. You know, because the herb is in its natural form. You know, so you can't wait until whatever problem, yeah, get bad. Then that's the time you draw for the herb. Herbs work slowly, you know. It works in a slow process. So, yeah, man. Use the herb before you need the herb, you know. Art of love, you know. Fuck your feelings. Your love don't have no meaning. Fuck your feelings. Fuck your feelings. Your love don't have no meaning. Fuck your feelings. Said fuck your feelings. Your love don't have no meaning. Fuck your feelings. Said fuck your feelings. Your love don't have no meaning. Fuck your feelings. Yeah man, the tune you hear I'm on a chant. Yeah man, is a tune from Mescal Sounds, you know. Yeah man, I'll leave a link in the description for the song. You know? Yeah. The man with the message, you know? Yeah. Some will see it as a curse word. Yeah, but it is a message, you know, referring to someone who, you know, is unfaithful, you know. Someone who, them tell you them love you, but the actions are different, you know. Them tell you say them loyal, but the action shows something different, you know. So the ayah say, you know, the message, you know, fuck your feelings. Your love not have no meaning. Yeah, cause the love we express through words, you know. The action I show something different. Yeah man. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. So the ayah say fuck your feelings, you know. Your love not have no meaning. And it's only someone who have experienced mistrust in a relationship can understand what I talk about. You know? So it's not randomly telling someone, you know, to fuck them feelings, you know, because we respect people's feelings, you know, but some people they don't respect your feelings. So, you know, hurting you become a normal thing to them, you know. Yeah man, and them love hurt there. No herb no there to cure them thing there, you know. Yeah man. Only love can cure those hurt, you know. Yeah. So I just say, you know, ensure say the person where you're in a relationship for check for you, you know. Yeah man. But you know have to tell them say fuck them feelings. So this is just a vlog. Yeah, just showing you, you know, I and I watering the herb plants, you know. Yeah, not a long vlog. But just one show in the eye and eye, watering the herb plants. And fuck your feelings, your love don't have no meaning. Fuck your feelings. Yeah, man. Some people don't willing to listen messages like these, you know. Until them get hurt in a relationship, then them know what the message was conveying, you know. What the artists are conveying of the message, you know. So when you give the message in such a raw form, some people don't really like it, you know. Yeah. But we have to give the message raw and uncut, you know. Yeah, man. Herbal laws out.